Did you know the average person will spend an entire year of their life being hungover? In fact, almost 90,000 people will turn up to work hungover today and tomorrow and the next day. Well, we at 1 Year No Beer just want to help the world have fewer hangovers, whether they want to cut back, control, reduce or eliminate their drinking. We are going to be the go-to platform for changing our society's relationship with alcohol. Not alcohol is the devil, just would you like to press the reset button? I used to be an oil broker in London and became accustomed to the city boozy lifestyle. In 2014, I decided to take a break from alcohol and all of my life improved. I got fitter, faster, healthier, happier, a better dad, a better husband. My business grew. This is when I realized that we needed to find a way to show people the benefits of taking a break from alcohol. Look, not everyone wants to stop drinking altogether, but everyone wants the benefits of taking a break from booze. And the way 1 Year No Beer gets them to realize those benefits for themselves is to dress it up as a challenge.
We have built a world-class behaviour change platform that helps the average social drinker, the occasional hangoverer, the binge drinker, and the sometimes everyday drinker take a break from alcohol, which for many will totally transform their lives and the lives of those around them. Today, 1 Year No Beer has over 80,000 members in 137 countries across the world, and in 2020 alone achieved revenue of £2.2 million.
Let's be honest, you'd have to be hiding under a rock to not acknowledge the paradigm shift we are experiencing around alcohol. The growth of the alcohol-free movement, the sober curious, it's becoming cool to not drink. Millennials are drinking less or not at all. Alcohol-free drinks are the fastest growing beverage market in the world. This is an opportunity to invest in that paradigm shift.
There are thriving industries out there supporting weight loss, fitness and well-being, but very little to support reducing alcohol consumption. This is alcohol prevention, and we are the pioneers of this sector.
We have been featured on the BBC several times, BBC World News in over 200 countries. We've been on ITV, national radio. In fact, we have been quoted as the UK's most recognised alcohol-free brand. We have significant traction in the UK, and now we are starting to get traction globally.
Last year, we raised £1.8 million from 500 investors in our crowdfunding campaign. So, what have we done since then? Well, we've been really busy.
We've significantly grown the lifetime value of an average member. We've transformed gross profitability from a loss of £142,000 in 2019 to a profit of £233,000 in 2020. That's a 263% increase.
We've increased daily active users by thousands of percent and moved our Net Promoter Score from an already fantastic 65 to 72 and climbing. That makes us world class. Just check out our Trustpilot reviews to see how much our customers love us.
We have been fixing and preparing to scale, and now we are back in growth mode with 65% growth of challenge sales in the 4 months, February to June of 2021. Toot toot! So what's next, and why are we raising? Well, we now have our eyes on break even. Yes, that magical moment of a fully sustainable business is now within our grasp.
We're now working towards the next evolution of our product, a freemium subscription app that enables 3 core things.
First, a wide range of world-class training content incorporating the latest technologies to help change behaviour.
Second, an engaging community which empowers members to support each other globally.
And third, in-depth data that clearly demonstrates to members how both their physical and mental health have been transformed by taking a break from alcohol.
I'm really enjoying the alcohol-free or the AF journey, or the anxiety-free journey as the AF could also stand for. Yeah, thank you OYNB.
Wonderful benefits, exercise, 9 kilograms lost, the sleep, wonderful sleep, and probably biggest and best is a massive reduction in anxiety. Thank you, 1 Year No Beer.
I'm the fittest I've ever been, my mental health ups and downs have diminished, My self-worth is so much higher and I'm so much more organised and productive.
I invested in 1 year no beer because it's just changed my life. It's changed my family's life. I've seen the difference in my children, so I just wanted to be part of it, being able to reach other people throughout the world to change their lives too.
With the funds we raise in this round, we'll be expanding our team, investing further in tech and product build, and creating both Android and iOS versions of our app, so we can bring OYNB to even more people and reach a much wider audience. We see an enormous opportunity to grow a very valuable business in this new emerging sector of preventative health, and that could lead to an attractive exit or even a substantial IPO. So whether you drink too much, too little, or not at all, if you want to benefit from this rapidly growing marketplace, then invest in this pioneering market leader today.